Hey there! Are you dreaming of owning a home in North Bangalore, a hub that's buzzing with growth and opportunities? What if I told you that the savings tucked away in your EPF account could help make that dream a reality? Stick around and I'll show you how to use your EPF savings to buy property in this thriving region. First things first, let's talk about what your EPF can do. Did you know that the Employees Provident Fund isn't just for retirement? Under certain conditions, you can withdraw a chunk of your EPF savings to buy a home or even a plot of land. Yep, that's right. Your EPF can help you invest in ready-to-move-in homes, under construction properties, or even build your dream house from scratch. Now, let's check the boxes for eligibility. You need at least 5 years of continuous employment. The property must be for residential use, and it needs to be registered in your name or jointly with your spouse. And of course, the funds must be specifically used for purchasing or constructing a home. Sound good so far? Great! Next up, how much can you actually withdraw? Here's the deal. You're allowed to take out up to 36 months of your basic salary plus dearness allowance, or 90% of your EPF balance, whichever is lower. That's a significant amount, perfect for a down payment or construction costs. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How to apply. It's simple. Log in to the UN member portal. Under Online Services, select Claim, Form 3119 10C and 1D. Verify your bank details. Select the purpose as Purchase of House Flat or Construction of House and upload the required documents. Submit your application and voila! Just make sure your KYC details are up to date to avoid any hiccups. Now, why North Bangalore, you ask? This area is booming, with top-notch infrastructure, excellent connectivity, and high returns on investment. Using your EPF savings here isn't just buying a home, it's making a smart financial move. So, what's stopping you? Take that first step today. Check out the link in the description for curated property investment opportunities in North Bangalore. Don't let your EPF sit idle. Make it work for you. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on smart investments. Until next time, happy investing.